Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's your girl KLA, and today I'll be showing you how I got this DIY vanity disc. So first, I got these drawers. I got two of them from michaels.com. I ordered them online and I picked them up in store, and I used a coupon, so my total came out to like 90 something, which is a big plus because the IKEA drawers are like about $200. So this is just a cheaper route. So right here I'm just, following the instructions that came in the box. It was very easy, simple. The only tool that you really need is like a screwdriver. Like, I'm not even sure, but it worked for all of the screws. So yeah, that's really all you need. Okay, so this is basically the completed drawer. I just went ahead and started on the next one. I didn't want to show it twice because who wants to see that? So yeah, this is me completing that second drawer. After I'm done with that, I'm just going in to put the stoppers so that the drawers, the individual drawers, won't come flying out at me. Right now, I'm just getting the shelf that I got from Home Depot. It was about $12, I think. And I'm just looking at which side I want to, face towards myself, because it's one side that has a brown strip and then it's another side that has the white. So make sure it's facing away. So I'm going in with my E6000. And I'm just making sure that it's lined up. I got some help, and I'm putting these heavy duty type of tubs on top so that it weighs down, and I left it for 72 hours to dry, and here's the completed look. So I went ahead, as you can obviously tell, I put stuff in my drawers. So on this side, I got my books, and then I got my makeup stuff. And then on the right side, I went ahead and put my hair products and all of that. So yeah, this is it. Make sure y'all like this. Make sure y'all subscribe. Definitely don't be afraid to subscribe. It's free. It's free. Subscribe. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Leave comments if you have any questions, or anything about specific items. Yeah.